Okay, so I'm gonna scare my sister just to see her reaction. I know it's really mean to do, but it sounds freaking hilarious. So she's been begging my mom for a freaking kitten forever, and I'm like, no, I hate cats. So I was like, we're not getting a kitten. So I'm gonna bring up. It's called Cute Kitten Scary Pop-Up Video, and I thought maybe I'd just be like, oh, look at these cute little kittens, and then so we'll see how it goes. All right, Sam. You gotta look at these freaking adorable cats. Okay?
What's it called? What's that thing called?
Just watch them. Aren't they just the cutest little things ever?
I think you should record this.
Aren't they cute?
Oh, we should record
Look,
me
aren't they
watching
cute?
it. Oh my god, yes! Fun clearing your underwear. Oh my god.
Why won't
I
the
must
video?
pee my pants. I must pee my pants.
And I recorded you too.
Oh my goodness.